Today, I will prove, or we, cosine of 30 degrees is equivalent to square root of 3 over 2. Now let's draw our big, beautiful XY chart, obviously needed. Then I will draw 30 degrees on this XY chart. Now I will draw the cosine, the cosine, or down like a bomb. From here to here, we want to figure out. Let's define this as x. Now we know that this side is 1/2 in my last video because I proved it like that. And this is 1 radius because it's the same as this. It goes from here all the way to somewhere here. Then draw a right angle. Now we draw our Pythagorean theorem model expression. The Pythagorean theorem expression is the hypotenuse is equivalent. The hypotenuse squared is equivalent to the two other sides squared combined, or the sum of those two squared. Now let's do this. 1/2 to the power of 2 is 1 to the power 2 over 2 to the power 2. You can't change a variable unless you have everything else ready. 1 to the power 2 is 1. 1 to the power 2 is 1. 2 to the power 2 is 4. Plus x to the power 2 is equivalent to 1. Don't really change anything. And then you have to put 1/4 on the right of the equal sign. So it becomes x to the power 2 is equivalent to 1 minus 1/4. You have to use inverse operations when you flip it. Then you have to convert 1 into a fraction, or 4/4. Now we could do 4 minus 1. What is that? 3/4. Now we have to do the square root to figure out x. No, x to the power of 2. Square root of x to the power 2 is just x. Now we do them separately for the fraction. Then we go to the other side. X will become the square root of 3 is irrational, so I won't write that today. And then the square root of 4 is 2. X is equivalent to square root of 3 over 2. Therefore, we have just proved that cosine of 30 degrees is equivalent to square root of 3 over 2. Okay, I'm done.